Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the types of securities you can buy on Robinhood. Robinhood offers a range of investment options, making it a popular platform, especially for newer investors. The primary securities available are stocks, ETFs, and options. First, let's talk about stocks. You can buy and sell most U.S. exchange-listed stocks. One major feature Robinhood offers is the ability to buy fractional shares. This means you don't have to buy a whole share of an expensive stock. You can invest as little as $1, owning a fraction of a share. This makes building a diversified portfolio much more accessible. Next are exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. An ETF is essentially a basket of stocks or other assets that trades like a single stock. They are great for instant diversification, and Robinhood offers a wide selection of U.S.-listed ETFs. Like stocks, you can also buy fractional shares of many ETFs. The third major type of security is options. Options contracts give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price by a specific date. Options trading on Robinhood includes contracts for U.S. exchange-listed stocks and ETFs. It's important to remember that options are generally considered a more complex and higher-risk form of trading. Beyond these primary securities, Robinhood also offers trading in cryptocurrencies through a separate, but integrated, service called Robinhood Crypto. You can buy, sell, and transfer popular cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Additionally, Robinhood provides access to American Depository Receipts, or ADRs, which allow you to invest in certain international companies. What you generally won't find on Robinhood are traditional mutual funds and bonds or other fixed-income securities. In short, Robinhood focuses on commission-free trading of U.S. stocks, ETFs, and options, with the added benefit of fractional shares and crypto trading. It provides the core building blocks for most investment strategies. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.